Coleman's Small Business Banker Weekly Radio Show with your host Bob Coleman is brought to you by GovGex.com, the online exchange for sellers of SBA and USDA loans, and PCFS 2000, the leading financial technology services vendor providing software solutions to both the SBA lending and credit union industries.
We're with Guy Cecala, publisher, Insider Mortgage Finance, the national expert on real estate, home as well as commercial. Guy, for small business bankers, the losses have been dramatic in this sector. Are we out of the woods yet?
No, we're not really out of the woods. The commercial real estate market trails the residential market, and we're not even out of the woods in the residential market. But unlike the residential market, the commercial real estate market is really driven by economics, unemployment, businesses going under. You know, you can look across all sectors, whether you're in hotels, office, retail, all of them are pretty much hurting as a result of the economic downturn.
Good news today, unemployment's dipped under 10%, so that's positive. But are we at the trough? How much more pain are we going to be incurring in commercial real estate?
The outlook for commercial real estate is we haven't even gotten near the peak. We're at least 2 years away from that. 2010 is expected to be the year we start to really see commercial real estate problems go up. There are a lot of commercial loans that are rolling over now that were made 2 or 3 years ago. Even those are going to be tough, even if the properties aren't distressed or there aren't any problems, just because of the change in credit terms and interest rates.
Guy, your clients are major banks, also community banks throughout the country. What are you advising them, specifically their chief credit officers, for their underwriting procedures as it comes to commercial real estate valuations?
We're really not in a position to give them any advice. They're telling us, hey, credit is really tight now. We're very careful about all lending. In the commercial real estate market, it's somewhat different, too, in that a lot of the loans were originally financed with commercial mortgage securities. That market has vanished and dried up, and it's forced insurance companies and banks to make commercial loans, and they really just don't have the willingness, and some say the capacity, to make all the loans that are really flipping over and that you need to make in this era.
From Washington, D.C., Guy Cecala, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
GovGex is the online platform banks are using to seamlessly sell their small business loans, and buyers rely on to source loans for sale. We've more than 300 banks who turn to GovGex to more profitably access secondary markets, and right now we're investing heavily into enhancing GovGex.
PCFS 2000 is a firm that's very dedicated to this industry, both including the packaging, origination, and underwriting of SBA loans, as well as another platform to address the back office elements of SBA, which would include the accounting, reporting, and servicing of their SBA loan portfolio.